Is your 2003-2009 Toyota 4Runner key fob not working reliably? A weak battery is the most common cause. Replacing it is a simple DIY fix that can save you time and money compared to a dealer visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. We are using CR2032 batteries, which you can typically find for $5 to $10. The 2003-2009 Toyota 4Runner key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a common type of battery, and you can find it at most drugstores, supermarkets, auto parts stores, and online retailers like Amazon. Make sure to purchase a genuine battery from a reputable brand like Energizer or Duracell to ensure long life and reliability. Avoid counterfeit batteries, as they often have a shorter lifespan. To replace the battery, you'll need only one tool, a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. This will be used to gently pry open the key fob casing. A piece of tape can be helpful to protect the plastic from scratches during the prying process. Also have a new CR2032 battery ready to go. Locate the seam on your key fob. It's usually on the back or side. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam. Gently twist to pry the casing open. Be patient and apply steady pressure to avoid damaging the plastic. The casing should pop open, revealing the battery compartment. Once the casing is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Take note of the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Gently pry the battery out of the compartment. You may need to use the screwdriver or coin to carefully dislodge it. Be careful not to damage the battery contacts. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Press down firmly to ensure the battery is securely in place and making good contact with the terminals. Carefully snap the key fob casing back together. Make sure the two halves are aligned properly before pressing them together. You should hear a click as the casing seals. Ensure that the casing is fully closed with no gaps and test the buttons on the fob to make sure they work. Test the key fob by pressing the buttons to unlock and lock your 4Runner from a distance. If it works, you're all set. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center or designated battery drop-off location. Avoid throwing it in the regular trash due to environmental concerns. Your key fob battery replacement is complete.